Power interruptions, fluctuating energy costs, and climate impact are significant barriers to growth for small to medium-sized businesses. BioEsol's energy-as-a-service solution delivers AI-powered energy storage for efficient, reliable, and sustainable power for businesses of all sizes. Samuel, how does the BioEsol solution compare to more traditional energy management solutions that are already out in the marketplace?
BioEsol offers an all-in-one energy solution, which consists in a battery package, so we can store the energy. We have in this battery solution AI-powered software technology that we develop and patent technology, so we can know the energy consumption patterns of each customer, so we can profile this customer how we can solve the problem that they have, the grid instability, the power cuts, the energy crisis, and as well to be the backup of this kind of power cuts, the backup of the energy. So also our solution combines with renewable sources, because we know that local utility doesn't have the energy needed for all the consumption of the industrial sector or small and medium businesses. So if they grow, we know that we have to solve this problem, and to push them to growth, they will need more energy. So we combine all these solutions, the solar power generations, to store this energy, and as well the distribution, combine it with the AI power technology that we have.
So the learning process that the AI goes through, how long does that take, and what are some of the data points that you collect?
Once we install the product, we have a 30-day process where our AI is introducing all the data and is learning how is the pattern of the customer, and then we know that is going to be a change in the period.
Yeah, as the customer grows,
yes,
as the requirements evolve.
Of course.
But you have a good initial
framework. Data, yeah.
And from there, you're then enabling the customer to reduce cost.
So we know that there is two types of rates in industrial sector. There is the nighttime and the daytime, and it's different rate. We know that at nighttime is a higher rate. So when we know what is the pattern of the energy consumption of the customer, we know that we can store energy from the daytime rate, that is the lower one, and we can deliver this energy stored in our equipment into the nighttime. So this is like 50% of savings.
50% from their initial, before you install.
Yes.
And then you're also offering a significant quality improvement in the power itself.
Yeah.
Is that something that exists in markets around the world, or is this something in your home market of Mexico?
No, I think
everywhere.
Everywhere. The problem right now, I can say that it's energy crisis and climate change. And we know that everybody needs to save money, crucially in today's economy.
Yes, there's a cost issue, but there's also stress on the grid,
yes,
that's increasing the risk of stable power.
Correct.
Being available. So for you to break into the market, is it a collaboration or partnership with the local utility, or are you able to sell directly right to the end small to medium business?
We can do both. Our main purpose is directly to the small and medium-sized businesses, but we know that we have worked in the past with the local utilities.
And the business model you're rolling out, Samuel, is energy as a service, as you call it. That often in other markets implies that you're funding the capital cost for the installation, and then you're charging someone on a monthly basis, subscription type basis. Is that how the business model works, or have you have the customer incurring some of the capital outlay as well?
Some other competitors offers a one-time sale or a finance sale, but we know that they need to put some down payment or upfront investment.
Right.
And we know that it's going to be difficult for some companies. So we know that zero down payment, zero initial investment, and a lower monthly payment for energy is going to work for everybody.
As BioEsol then increasing the fundraising requirements on your side to incur those capital investments on a per customer basis, and then how do you identify which customer is the right one for you?
The ones that we know that perfectly that they must have this solution is the manufacturing sector, because they can have power cuts, they can have grid instabilities due to the manufacturing process.
Yeah, it'll literally take their line down.
Yeah.
So what's the next step for BioEsol in terms of capital funding?
We already raised capital to make this possible, the solution that we offer to the customers. Now we are raising another seed round. It is about we need capital to offer the customers the energy as a service, because we need some capital requirements to make this possible to the customer.